Greetings everyone. I am your professor for this CU online course. My name is Elena Mitchell. I hope this will be an empowering experience for you and that you will make the most of it. All you need for this course is a good computer with Microsoft Office 2013 version installed, a reliable internet connection, and your time and willingness to learn. I built this course as a self-paced course, but with freedom comes responsibility. And although not imposed, I encourage you to follow the due dates and the order of study as listed in the to-do lists that I built for each chapter. Let me show you. Chapter 0, to-do lists. Here they are. And a little reminder here. Online courses start 1 week earlier than the campus or hybrid version classes. I call this week 0 of class. Because of this, online classes also end 1 week earlier than normal campus classes. If you look in our calendar of deadlines and assignment due dates, you will find that the end of the course deadline is highlighted in a vibrant red, marked to remind you that I will not receive any submissions after this date. So beware of this date and allow for any mishaps or technical difficulties that may occur in an online environment. This is the doom date. Now, we will be working only online, and for this you must make sure that you have a reliable internet connection. All classwork, resources, and assignments can be accessed through your internet browser. We will be working with 2 online environments. One of them is Canvas, and the other one is My IT Lab. Actually, this is the sign-in screen. This is how the My IT Lab looks when you access your courses. For our course, Canvas is the place where we will be keeping in touch. Our communication method is through this link at the right top of your browser window called Canvas Inbox Messaging System. As I showed a little earlier, also Canvas is the place to find your to-do list for each chapter. Here is where you will be monitoring your grades and your progress, which I update once a week on Monday by midnight. Here is also a place where you will be able to find valuable information such as videos that I built to help students with the most challenging assignments, which is this last link here, how-to type of answers, and e-text page numbers. You just have to scan a little bit through it and see what little treasures you can find in there. It is very important that you check Canvas inbox messaging system regularly. I monitor it constantly, and it is the fastest way to reach me and to receive your reply. Do not use any My IT Lab or the new CTC Link communication tools. The second online environment that you will be using is My IT Lab. And note that before you can access the materials, you need to register and to pay for it. And then you'll be able to enroll in a particular CU course that you are taking. Let's say that you are taking the CU 102 course. Once it is open and once you are enrolled in it, you will be able to access the course materials, which are e-text and course activities for different chapters. I will click on chapter 1 and access the activities. As you can see, you have here 3 types of activities, which are the blue dial training, the green dial exam, and the notepad, which is a graded project homework for which you will need to download the files. The good thing about this system is that when you submit an assignment, you will be able to see your score immediately because it is graded by My IT Lab grading software. And one more very important thing. To avoid being dropped from course due to inactivity, you must make sure that you register and enroll with My IT Lab in week 0. To be more precise, by Tuesday, week 1 at midnight, which is about a total of 9 days to enroll. If for any reason you cannot register and enroll with my IIT Lab by then contact me as soon as possible and let me know. If you don't contact me, then your spot will be made available to another student on the waiting list. That being said, I wish you good luck and a very good quarter.